Ever wondered why Helvetica looks so crisp and professional? Well, Power BI doesn't include it by default, but don't worry, we'll fix that. First, we'll explore why custom fonts matter. Then, I'll show you how to install Helvetica on your system and tweak the JSON theme file to make Power BI recognize it. Finally, we apply the theme and confirm everything looks great. Stick around because soon your reports will have the sleek look they deserve. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Picture this, you design a stunning Power BI report, but the fonts make it look meh. The default fonts can sometimes feel uninspiring. Custom fonts bring personality and branding into your visuals. The trick is modifying the theme file so Power BI knows exactly what you want. Of course, compatibility is key. Your reports should look perfect everywhere. Ready to give your reports some stylish flair? Let's get started. You might ask, why Helvetica? Well, it's the superstar of fonts, clean, professional, and just the right amount of stylish. It's widely used in corporate branding and design, making your Power BI reports look top-notch. Plus, it's highly readable, which means your audience gets the information they need without distractions. So if you want your visuals to scream polished and professional, Helvetica is your go-to choice. Let's face it, Power BI's default fonts aren't winning any design awards. They're basic and functional, but sometimes you need something with more personality. Branding consistency is key, and default fonts don't always align with corporate aesthetics. Plus, readability matters. A clunky font can make data harder to digest. Oh, and let's not forget device compatibility. Fonts can look different depending on where they are viewed. Time to take control. Fonts behaving badly sounds like a mystery novel, right? Missing installations, operating system quirks, and web report troubles can make your reports look all sorts of wrong. And let's not forget the classic report export headache. But don't worry, we'll break these down, troubleshoot them like pros, and get your reports looking sharp and stylish. Stick with me and we'll fix these font fiascos. Fonts can be divas. If they're not compatible, they refuse to perform. The trick: stick to system fonts for universal appeal. Test them across devices to avoid surprises. Embedding fonts ensures no one messes with your masterpiece, and avoiding licensing drama keeps your workflow smooth. Let's make sure your fonts play nice with every device out there. Custom fonts in Power BI. Well, that's a tricky business. They're moody, unpredictable, and sometimes refuse to show up, especially in dashboards and reports. Embedding them is still a gamble, and if you export your report, who knows what font will actually appear. But don't lose hope. We'll explore workarounds to help you maintain your report's charm. Alright, if custom fonts are giving you trouble, it's time to get creative. Turning text into images keeps your styling intact. Third-party visuals can save the day, and SVG text makes sure your fonts scale beautifully. And if you're working with web reports, CSS styling can be your secret weapon. Let's explore these alternatives so your report stays stylish. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.